Monkey Fools Crocodile by Chris Grigsby. Illustrated by Tracy Sabin. Monkey sat in a tree beside the river. She rubbed her hungry belly and looked sadly across the water. Over there, the trees were overloaded with bananas, bright, yellow, yummy, mushy, tasty bananas. Over here, nothing. Hungry Monkey saw lots of bananas. How could she get across the river and back home again? Monkey didn't know how to swim, but she was clever, and she came up with a plan. There was a large log by the river. She would sit on it and paddle it like a boat. Could she use the log to get across? She slowly crept over to the log. She had to be careful. Crocodile might be around, and Crocodile loved to eat monkeys. She tried to shove the big, heavy log into the water. Monkey pushed one end. She tugged at the other end. She wasn't paying attention to anything else. Monkey tried hard to move the log. Whoosh! Crocodile sprang out of the water and grabbed Monkey. Lunch! Cried Crocodile. Wait! Hollered Monkey. You can't eat me! Why not? Crocodile said with a puzzled look. I like to eat monkeys. Monkey thought quickly. Yes! She knew how to save herself and get those bananas. Look at me, Crocodile, she moaned. I'm so thin. Don't you want me to be nice and plump before you eat me? Crocodile looked closely at Monkey. She did look thin. Crocodile grunted. This was his way of saying yes. Then take me over to the other side, said Monkey. See those bananas hanging just above the ground? Let me eat some, and I'll get nice and plump. Crocodile wanted Monkey to be nice and plump. Crocodile grunted again, so Monkey carefully climbed onto his back. It was a risky trip for Monkey, sitting there on Crocodile. Would Crocodile suddenly change his mind, snap her up, and gobble her down? Monkey took a risky trip. But Crocodile kept swimming until he and Monkey reached the other side. She hopped off and began pulling bananas from the low branches. As she jumped around, she raised lots of dust. In no time, Monkey was all dusty. This was part of her plan. Monkey grabbed bananas and got dusty. Hurry up and eat, grumbled Crocodile. I'm hungry too. Monkey sat down and quickly ate all the bananas she had collected. Soon her belly began to swell. Time to eat you now, cried Crocodile. Lunch! Wait! Hollered Monkey. Crocodile scowled because he was getting very angry. What's the problem this time? He yelled. I'm all dusty and dirty, said Monkey. You'd get sick eating me. I need to wash on the other side of the river, where the river isn't so deep. Crocodile rolled his eyes, but he grunted. So Monkey climbed onto his back. Crocodile didn't notice, but Monkey was smiling and rubbing her full belly. They quickly crossed the river. Monkey stepped into the shallow water near the river's edge. Crocodile took Monkey back across the river. Then she turned to Crocodile with a shocked look and shouted, "Don't watch me take a bath! I'm very shy. Close your eyes." Crocodile sighed and shut his eyes. He heard splashing, and then everything was silent. He quickly opened his eyes. Clever little Monkey was gone. Monkey said Crocodile can't watch her take a bath.
هيا تعلم فالعلم خير معين وتقرب به إلى الله رب العالمين.